Hello and welcome. Hello, welcome to all. So today's our question is what is the golden ratio and how to find it, and some application of it. So first we understand what is the golden ratio. Then we will find the golden ratio and the value of golden ratio, and what is the application of golden ratio. We will discuss it. So first we discuss what is the golden ratio. So golden ratio, the golden ratio symbol is the Greek letter phi. So phi we will basically denoted it by the special symbol which is like this. So it is called phi, and the value of phi is 1.618. So this is the value of phi, 1.618. It appears many times in geometry. So when we see where we use the golden ratio, so here in the geometry, art and architecture and other cases, and some places you see for um, mm, finding the we can say it the beauty, and in other applications check. So and we can find the golden ratio when we divide a line into two parts. Tick. We will discuss it later. So here a basic definition of the golden ratio: the long part divided by the short part. Suppose a line which is divided in two parts, and one is the A part and second is the B part. So this is the long part, and this is the short part. So the long part divided by the short part, so long part divided by the short part is equal to whole length A plus B is divided by the long part, which is A. So it is also known as a golden ratio. So here also an example, we can say a line which is divided in two parts. This is the long part and this is the short part. So same as long part is divided by the short part is equals to length of line is divided by the long part is equals to 5. So we say it is a golden ratio. So now we will find the value of golden ratio, means basically value of phi. So phi is equals to A upon B. We can say from this we will distribute it on the plus sign. So A upon A plus B upon A is cross by cross, 1 plus B upon A is equals to 1 plus 1 upon A upon B. So 1 plus B upon A, we can write it as 1 upon A upon B. So we have write it. So A upon B is also the value of phi. So we can write it as it is 1 plus 1 upon 5. So now second, so we have write it as so we have found the value of phi, or we further solve it. So we find phi minus 1 is equals to 1 upon 5. So when we subtract 1 is equals to 1 upon 5. So now we will find the value of phi by quadratic equation. So here from here you can see we can multiply it, or we can just multiply both side by the phi. So phi square minus phi is equals to 1. So 1 we will take it on left hand side, so the sign will change. Phi square minus 5 minus 1 equals to 0. So we know the basic quadratic formula solving quadratic equation solving formula. So x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So b will compare this equation with the ax square, general equation of quadratic equation, b ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So b will find the value of a is equals to minus 1, because here sign is positive and multiple is 1, and the value of phi is value of v is equals to minus 1. So and the value of c is equals to minus 1 also. So phi is equals to, we will put the value, all the value in the formulas. So v equals to 1, so minus minus 1 हो जाएगा, plus minus under root v is equals to minus 1, so 1, and minus 4ac, c is minus 1, so plus 4 upon 2, 1 plus root 5 upon 2. So we will take just positive case. So negative case gives us complex number which is not useful. So we will find the positive value. So when we solve it, is equals to 1 plus and the root 5 value is equals to about 2.73. okay, the 2.73 is upon 2 is equals to 3.73 upon 2. So 2 से 2 is cos to 2 1, and 2 about we will find the value of phi, which is 1.612. okay. So this is our golden ratio, which is denoted by the phi, and the value of phi is 1.612. So we will find it like this, and some application of it. So we have discussed this here, where we can use it: geometrical formulas, arts, architectures, and other areas. So finding the beauty of some paintings and faces, so we can use it in the mathematics and in other applications, architecture also. So this is our golden ratio, and thank you.